Listen, what if I told you that you too can play exact bass line under 3 minutes? That sounds interested, right? Then stick with me, let me break this bass line. This bass line is so simple that most players make it look as if it's complicated. No, very simple. Under 3 minutes, you'll be able to play this, okay? Once you try this bass line, let me know your comment at the comment section down below. So before we break down this bass line, let's replay it, listen to it, then we break it down, okay? Bass line was played on key F, so we are going to use key F. So the notes, la do la mi la fa la fa do fa fa, so ti so re so so, la do la mi la do la mi la fa la fa do fa fa. So ti so re so so, la do la mi la. Alright, try it on different keys. The original key is F, and if you find this lesson helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you have already subscribed. Thank you and God bless you. Check out this lesson. God bless you.